What's up, y'all? I'm back with another one. And so today we're going to be, if you haven't checked out my 2 other videos, they're in the link description below. So check those out and like and comment on those. See what you think. And that's my new welding rig, high school truck. And yeah, we're just going to haul this to the dealership today. Man, it's taking me, god darn it. I think it sucks because I have this in gears. It sucks. I'm going to refill it with gas, and then we'll get it going. So, let's head over here to the gas station. Right there. I was going to refill the welding truck, but I decided not to. Come on, get there. And then right there. Right there. She's like, look how pretty she is. She's so beautiful. Man, looking fresh. Yep, and so, hopefully, you guys are enjoying the video today, because I couldn't make a video outside today because it's snowing. It's snowing outside right now, so, yeah, I can't really make a video today. But I made a video here, though. Yeah. So, right there, and let's get back in the truck. And there we go, we're on our way. And, so hopefully y'all are enjoying the videos. Hopefully you're liking and comment everything. I'd really appreciate that. And there, we're on our way. Jackass. Jeez, those jackasses. And then there we go. Hopefully I don't get on the wrong track. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I like your Ryan Up Church, but kind of annoying. Let's turn left. Holy shit. Holy shit, he likes to hit people. It's kind of weird though, but whatever. Alright, let's make it up here. Oh, for a minute I thought there was a left turn up right here. I thought. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, let's try to back out of this one. Jeez. What in the world? Bunch of chaos right here. Yeah, I had to restart. Jeez. And for some reason, I can't, like, when I put her in second gear, it won't move. Like, when I stop and I put her in second, it won't work. Like, I have to keep it in first the whole entire time. Even, like, when I'm driving downhill, it won't let me put it into second. That's kind of weird, though. Yeah, hopefully, like, my other trucks do well with that, but they just don't really do well. Alright, let's try. I'm trying to go to this dealership and try to sell the truck and make some money off of it. And, yeah, hopefully next week or sometime this week, I get a video. I can't do it on Monday because I have, like, a trip I have to go on. It's like an FFA trip, and I have to go to it, but yeah, it's somewhere down there. But yeah, I didn't bring my camera equipment with me, so I can't really. Unless like you guys want it to be on my phone, which that would be pretty boring. But yeah, I think we're here, and that's the drag strip on the left right there. I used to take my the General Lee. If you haven't seen that video, it should be in my bio somewhere. Or what it should be on my channel link somewhere. And I think we take, no, we keep on taking this. Yeah. Keep on going. Right there. Keep on going. Right there. Oh, yep, we're here. And so, yep, I'm just gonna drop the high school truck off. And if you haven't seen that video for the last time, go check that out. Links in the description. Right. Right there. And then right there. Yep. Hope I'm just trying to make it up there. Easy. Easy peasy. Hopefully I didn't smack my drive shaft. That'd be pretty bad. And then back it up on here. He told me to back it up in here. And I'm right there. So yeah, hopefully y'all are enjoying the videos. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.